Welcome to the Nespresso assistance video on directions for use for the CS100 Pro machine. The exceptional character of a Nespresso coffee owes nothing to chance. To enjoy a perfect cup of Nespresso coffee at any moment, we recommend you follow a few easy instructions. The quality of water used is essential for enhancing the aroma of your espresso. We therefore suggest replacing it daily. We also recommend installing a filter in the water tank to purify the water if the water supply in your area happens to be hard. In order to get as close as possible to your personal expectations, you can now program the desired volume of your ristretto, espresso or lungo. Depending on the production batch of your machine, two different buttons may allow access to the menu. If the on-off button is an M, simply press and hold this button for 3 seconds to access the menu. If the power button is a simple on-off button, press this button to switch the machine to standby mode. The machine will then rinse and the power button will begin to flash. At this time, press and hold the ristretto, espresso and lungo buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds to access the menu. Press the ristretto button till you reach Program Cup Length. Activate it by pressing the espresso button. When the arrows appear, press the lungo button to switch Program Cup Length to On. Press the espresso button again to confirm. There will no longer be any arrows appearing around On. Using the lungo button, move along to the end of the menu till you reach Exit and confirm this by pressing the espresso button. Insert a capsule. To program the cup volume, simply press and hold down the button of your choice. As soon as the cup is filled as you desire, release the button. Your machine is now programmed. To retain these settings, it is important to switch the Program Cup Length setting to Off. Access the menu as shown earlier and turn Program Cup Length to Off. From this moment on, with one press on the button, the coffee will automatically flow to the desired volume. When inserting the capsule, please ensure the edges are straight so that it does not block the system. We recommend inserting the capsule carefully so that it does not fall into the capsule container. Furthermore, we suggest regularly emptying the capsule container and drip tray to avoid it overflowing. We recommend that you place your machine in a location with no direct sunlight to avoid overheating. When the ristretto, espresso and lungo buttons are all lit up in red, the screen will indicate what steps to take. When the ristretto, espresso and lungo buttons are all lit up in white, the screen may indicate a descaling cycle is required in order to maintain water temperature and optimal quality of your espresso. We strongly recommend that you do not use vinegar as it may damage the internal parts of your machine. We recommend you use the Nespresso descaling solution specifically designed for your machine.